Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rent a car on the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the home button down below and click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then tap on the scroll down and click on car rental. Then you should select the pickup location. So type in your pickup location, then select your pickup date and drop-off date, then click on the search button after selecting the driver's age. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in. And here you can see the available options. Tap on view deal. And in a few seconds you will be able to check out what it contains, the location, and click on the go to book button if you would like to purchase it. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.